Welcome. Thank you all for coming for this 2025-2026 conclusion of the school year. We want to honor all of our interns this year. They've all done a wonderful job. They've all made it through a lot of challenges this year. We've got some seniors graduating, and I just wanted to make sure we took some time out to honor them.
Congratulations for all that you've done, for you being here today, and all that you've accomplished. And all these awards symbolize your perseverance and bright future. So congratulations.
Our students get to go out into the field, they get to earn elective credit, they get to earn professional certification before they graduate high school, get some professional experience. I know there's a lot of us in the room who did not have that opportunity when we were coming up in high school. So it's been a really, really good program.
For those that are just starting their journey in this world, whatever you decide to do, just know that the city is behind you. We want to see you succeed. And to all the students who have completed that experience, whether you did an internship, a part-time job, remember, you are the future of Tulsa. And all the employers too. That's time investment, expertise investment that people are putting into this program. And that's really, really an amazing thing.
Thank you to all of you for your hard work, all of my supervisors, all of my organizations and programs, my team. Thank you all so much for your support.
This is the 12th year that we participated in Union's Career Connect program with the program called Learning with a Wrench. Over 160 students have passed through that program over the years.
The Learning with a Wrench Award of Excellence for 2026 goes to Israel Green.
As Tulsa works towards expanding this youth workforce pipeline, we want to create more programs like this. Union is a great example of how you can connect businesses, host employers, connecting it to the learning that you're doing in school. We want to see that in all of Tulsa, and that will help expand our workforce pipeline. We need to prepare young people for careers in public service, in the private sector, in nonprofit, and that all means that we'll have a thriving Tulsa. Congratulations on behalf of the City of Tulsa, on behalf of the mayor, on behalf of 413 Tulsans who live in this city. Congratulations, and I look forward to what you'll accomplish in the future.